Tap the Dissection tool to bring up the Dissection Tool Dialog. Tap the Curved Dissection tool. Draw an area anywhere on the volume. Tap the area that you would like to begin dissecting. Select whether you would like to remove just one structure or have the ability to remove as many as you'd like. For now, select one and tap the structure you'd like to remove. While the Dissection Tool dialog is open, tap any structure to select it. Now tap the Curved Dissection tool. Only the selected structure will be affected. Tap the Curved Dissection tool again and draw an area anywhere on the volume. Tap the area you would like to remove, and this time select Yes. Tap OK. Tap on any structure in the selected area to remove and annotate it. Tap Undo to bring back the removed structures and Redo to remove them again. Tap the Settings icon and tap Adjust Annotations. Uncheck the Dissection Tool Labels box to remove annotations. Tap the Restore icon to remove all dissections. Tap the Linear Dissection tool. This tool works very similarly to the Curved Dissection tool, but it is used for making straight cuts. Tap the Freehand Sculpt Tool to bring up the Freehand Sculpt Tool dialog. Draw an area anywhere on the volume and tap the area that you would like to remove. All material in this area will be removed. The Freehand Sculpt tool works the same way when working with CT or MRI scans.